How to check gifted Robux in Roblox. If you want to see whether you've received gifted Robux in Roblox, this tutorial will walk you through the process. First, open your web browser and go to the Roblox website. Then sign into your account. Next, click the Robux icon in the top right corner of the screen. Select My Transactions. On the Transactions page, you'll see your recent Robux activity. If someone gifted you Robux by purchasing your Game Pass, clothing item, or developer product, the Robux will appear here. Keep in mind that gifted Robux may remain in pending Robux for a few days before it's added to your balance. Roblox doesn't have a separate gifted Robux section, so your transaction history is the best place to track any Robux you've received. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Roblox tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.